Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make zip file. So the first step you simply need to do is to here you can see that I want to create zip file from this folder. So you simply need to click here, click on show more options, click on send to and click on compressed. And now it is creating a folder. So you need to wait for a few seconds here. So now it is done. So let me show you the difference. Click on show more option, click on properties and the size is 141 MB. And for this folder, click on show more options, click on properties and the size is only 94 MB. So this is the process how you can make zip file. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.